Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we finally get the important security fixes now rolling out to the Edge web browser for desktop. And this is actually a double-sided update, which started rolling out on the 29th of June, because it also includes maintenance fixes for Edge. So as always, we head to our menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge to double check that we have received the update. And for most of you using Edge, if you do use it as your main web browser, you may know that these updates will take place automatically in the background, but if they don't, this process will force the update to the latest version and build, which is now sitting on version 114.0.1823.67. Once again, just a point release, which has been bumped up from 0.58 to 0.67. And this is a point release, but it's actually a very important update because it includes maintenance fixes and it includes 4 important security fixes that are rolling out for the Chromium-based web browsers, as I have been posting on throughout the course of this last week. Now, just a quick recap regarding these security fixes, because I have mentioned this for Chrome, Vivaldi, Brave. So just a quick recap. There are 4 security fixes rolling out, addressing 4 high-risk security issues in the browser. And these security fixes are obviously rolling out for the open source Chromium project, which the browser is based on. And although there are no 0 days or exploits in the wild, a high-risk vulnerability is your second highest after a critical. So nonetheless, an important security fix rolling out. And the issues that have been addressed are security issues with the V8 JavaScript engine, which is a component of the Chromium project. And then we also get use after free, which is another common exploit in the Chromium-based web browsers. Now, over and above that, we also get bugs and performance fixes rolling out. So this is a maintenance update, and Microsoft does push out these maintenance updates between major version upgrades, as you may know. And all they tell us again is that they have fixed various bugs and performance issues. So if you have experienced any issues since upgrading to version 114, then just double check that your browser is up to date. And if you are not seeing the update, it will be rolling out progressively over 1 or more days. And because this is an important security update, I do think, though, that you will be getting the update sooner than later. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.